So, hey you guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm just kind of giving you some shots of my garden and how I'm handling it lately. I'm gonna just kind of play some music over a couple shots as I show you just me just moving around the garden. Look at that happy lad. Let's get to it. But yeah, you guys, just kind of wanted to give you a video just kind of showcasing the garden and, you know, a little bit more of the garden and a little bit less of me running my mouth. Hopefully you like it. Let me know if you want more videos like that. It was a decent morning out here. I'm pretty happy to have a garden, and when life gets stressful, it's a good way to unwind. But yeah, just let me know if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, or if you guys want any certain types of content or anything. Otherwise, just like, subscribe, comment. Hey, just say hey. I'm here for it. You guys have a wonderful rest of your week.